Hey guys, I'm back with another Amazon unboxing. I believe this is number 5. We only have one package today. I'm going to go ahead and open it. I'm excited for this one. I've been waiting for it. A poly mailer inside a poly mailer. Extra protection, you gotta love that. Okay, so this is my color changing lip gloss base. We are gonna be making color changing lip gloss tonight. I'm super excited. It's gonna be pink. And the best part is, with these color changing lip glosses, they change pink based on your body's pH balance. So the pink on my lips will not be the same as the pink on your lips. Stay tuned for more.